Hello student, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to cover one of the very important topic that is called circular flow of national income. So in today's video we are going to cover that is called circular flow into sector with saving and without saving. Before start the video, it's my humble request to everyone, please watch entire video, and if you like it then please like, share, comment and subscribe also. Let's start the today's video. So first we'll understand what is circulation of national income. So circulation of national income means how national income generated in an economy and how it flow from one sector to another sector. So when our national income flow from one sector to another sector, that is called circulation of national income. जब हमारी नेशनल इनकम इकोनॉमी में एक सेक्टर से दूसरे सेक्टर के पास जाती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सर्कुलेशन ऑफ नेशनल इनकम. देन to understand circulation of national income concept very clearly, we should note some aspects. What are these? So number one is real flow. Real flow means there is a flow of factors of production and goods and services. Whenever there is flow of factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and goods and services from one sector to another sector, that is called real flow. Then money flow. In money flow there is a flow of money from one sector to another sector. Then injection. Injection means addition of income into circular flow. Leakages. Whenever there is a withdrawal of income from circular flow. Next, to understand circular flow concept very easily, we should know its method and chart. So circular flow work in a two economy, that is called closed economy and open economy. Closed economy means no international trade and open economy means international trade will be there. Then closed economy classified into two category, that is two sector model and three sector model. And two sector model divide into two more category, that is called two sector model without saving and two sector model with saving. Then open economy classified into only four sector model. So in today's video we are going to cover two sector model without saving and with saving. Before start the concept two sector model without saving, we should know the assumption of two sector model. So number one assumption is that there are only two sector, that is household and firm. Now who is household? So household is the owner of factors of production and consumer of goods and सर्विसेज. हाउसहोल्ड इज अ ओनर, वो ओनर होता है फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन का और कंज्यूमर होता है गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज का. नेक्स्ट इज फर्म. हु इज फर्म? Firm is a user of all the factors of production and seller and producer of goods and services. Next is there is no government involvement in two sector model. Then there is no international trade. As I told you, two sector model work in a closed economy, so there is no international trade. Then there is no saving. Then two sector model work with a variable, that is y equals c plus I. It means that consumption and production only. Now we'll understand how two sector model without saving work. To understand two sector model without saving, we should go as per the given assumption. So in two sector model without saving, you can see there are two sector, household and firm. Then who is household? Household is the owner of all the factors of production, that is land, labor and capital. So when household will sell his factors of production to firm, that is land, labor, capital, then on behalf of that firm will give some remuneration to household in a form of rent, wages and interest. जब भी household अपने factors of production फर्म को देगा तो उसके बिहाफ में फर्म उसे पैसे देगा, दैट कैन बी इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ रेंट, वेजेस एंड इंटरेस्ट. सो सपोज हाउस होल्ड सोल्ड हीज factors of production, that is land, labor, capital to firm, and on behalf of that firm has given remuneration in any form. समझो कि फर्म ने रेमुनरेशन दिया और वो रेमुनरेशन है 5000 रुपीज़ का. सो हाउस होल्ड ने अपने फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन फर्म को दिए और फर्म ने रेमुनरेशन दिया हाउस होल्ड को, एंड दैट इज़ 5000 रुपीज़. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट इज नाउ वट एवर factors of production firm has purchase from household. He will do some activity on all the factors of production and produce goods and services, and after that that goods and services sell in the market. And who is going to purchase that goods and services? Household. So household will use his entire money to purchase goods and services. So when he will purchase goods and services, he will give money to firm. So whatever money household earned from firm after selling his factors of production, same money will come to firm again. So in first part, the money flow from firm to household, and in second part, money flow from household to firm. Then you can see there is no saving, there is no leakages, there is no injection. मतलब saving नहीं है, investment नहीं है. जो पैसा household ने firm से कमाया था, same money he is giving to firm again. So in first part money flow from firm to household, in second part money flow from household to firm again. There is no leakages, there is no injection. Then you can see here in inner part is called real flow. क्यों? बिकॉज इनर पार्ट में देर इज अ फ्लो ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एंड फ्लो ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. सो इनर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड रियल फ्लो. देन आउटर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड मनी फ्लो, because in outer part there is a flow of money in a form of rent, wages, interest, and in a form of payment for goods and services. So inner part is called real flow and outer part is called money flow. Then next is two sector model with saving. Now there is only one change in two sector model with saving, that is we'll do ahead. First assumption is there are two sectors, that is household and firm. Who is household? Household is the owner of factors of production and consumer of goods and services. Then who is firm? Firm is a producer of goods and services. Firm is a producer of goods and services. Next is there is no government involvement. Then there is no international trade, and the most important assumption is that there is saving. See, in two sector model without saving there is no saving, and in two sector model with saving there is saving. Next is we'll understand two sector model with saving. So what changes are there that we have to understand carefully. Again, see student, when you have to remember any diagram, तो आपको first diagram by heart करनी पड़ेगी. Then you will understand all the concept easily. So now we are learning two sector model with saving. So what is the difference? Again there are two sector, that is household and firm. Who is household? Household is the owner of factors of production, that is land, labor and capital. So when household will sell his factors of production to firm, then firm will give money to household in a form of rent, wages and interest. So suppose household ने अपने factors of production firm को बेचे और firm ने money दिया in a form of rent, wages, interest. For example, फर्म ने हाउसहोल्ड को ऑल द फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन के बदले 5,000 रुपीज़ दिए. सो इन फर्स्ट पार्ट मनी फ्लो फ्रॉम फर्म टू हाउस होल्ड. नाउ whatever factors of production firm has purchased, now he will make goods and services with that, and that goods and services he will sell in the market. So when firm will sell goods and services, so उसे कौन खरीदेगा? हाउस होल्ड परचेस करेगा. एंड हाउस होल्ड परचेस करेगा बट देर इज सेविंग. सो अगर हाउस होल्ड ने 5,000 रुपीज़ अर्न किए हैं आफ्टर सेलिंग हीज फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, देन ही विल नॉट यूज़ एंटायर 5,000 रुपीज़. क्या करेगा वो? 5,000 में से सपोज वो 3,000 का गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज सेल परचेस करेगा, तो फर्म के पास कितना पैसा आया? 3,000. और उसने डिसाइड किया कि 2,000 रुपीज़ वो सेव करेगा. सो यहाँ पर 2,000 रुपीज़ उसने सेव किए एंड 3,000 रुपीज़ का उसने गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज परचेज किया. सो इनिशियल स्टेज पे फर्म ने हाउस होल्ड को 5,000 रुपीज़ दिए. सो फर्स्ट में मनी फ्लो फ्रॉम फर्म टू हाउस होल्ड, दैट इज़ 5,000 रुपीज़. बाद में क्या हो गया? व्हेन हाउस होल्ड परचेज गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, ही हैज़ नॉट यूज हिज एंटायर मनी, ही परचेज ओनली 3,000 रुपीज़ goods and services, and remaining 2,000 he saved in a बैंक। अभी सेविंग हो गया, तो सेविंग हो गया इसका मतलब देर इज विड्रॉवल ऑफ इनकम फ्रॉम सर्कुलर फ्लो। अभी 2000 का लीकेजेस हो गया सर्कुलर फ्लो में। सो सेविंग इज अ लीकेजेस इन अ सर्कुलर फ्लो। कितने का है यहाँ पर लीकेजेस? 2000 का, बिकॉज हाउस होल्ड ने पूरे पैसे खर्च नहीं किए हैं, उसने 2000 सेव कर लिया है। सो सेविंग इज अ लीकेजेस इन अ सर्कुलर फ्लो, एंड इन द डायग्राम यू कैन सी 2000 का यहाँ पर लीकेजेस हुआ है सर्कुलर फ्लो में। नाउ whatever money we deposit in a bank, whatever money household deposit in a bank use that money, and that money they are giving to firm in a form of loan। जो भी पैसा हम बैंक में जमा करते हैं वो पैसा बैंक क्या करता है? लोन देता है फर्म को, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट लोन फर्म विल मेक इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द मार्केट। सो इन्वेस्टमेंट इज अ injection in the circular flow, saving is a leakages in a circular flow, and investment is a injection in a circular flow। इन्वेस्टमेंट की वजह से मनी फ्लो हुआ सर्कुलर फ्लो में, और सेविंग की वजह से मनी लीकेज हुआ सर्कुलर फ्लो में। So whenever saving is there and investment is there, then financial market will arise। So sir, two sector model without saving में saving था नहीं, so there was saving था नहीं, so there was no saving no investment, and two sector model with saving में there is saving। so the point is that कि two sector model में saving होता है, and saving is a leakages and investment is a injection। now the very important part, that is called question। so student, listen entire video carefully, and I'm giving you challenge. if you are able to give answer, then write in comment box। so number one question is, two sector model include in dash economy, then dash is the owner and consumer of goods and services, dash is the producer and seller of goods and services, outer flow is called dash flow, inner flow is called dash flow, there is dash involvement of government, dash is leakages in a circular flow, dash is injection in a circular flow। so student, it's my humble request, please watch entire video, and it's my challenge, then answer all the question and write in a comment box। god bless you, stay safe and stay blessed।